All right, big day. A lot of Juneteenth events still happening. Father's Day tomorrow, Brad. Sounds like it's going to be perfect day.
Yeah, this weekend's been kind of Chamber of Commerce weather. Just exactly what you'd like to see. Mostly sunny skies, no rain, and temperatures actually warm, but not crazy hot or humid. We're kind of in between a couple systems. You see this big low pressure in the middle of the country? Eventually, that's going to change our weather pattern as we go through the week, and eventually we will see some wet weather start to move into the Carolinas. But most of the Carolinas right now under the influence of that high pressure system, that's going to give us some great weather this week, and we're going to continue to see some gorgeous conditions at least until Monday. That's when things will start to go downhill a little bit, and as we go through the week, it gets a lot worse than that through time. Now, the smoke today wasn't too bad. We did have a lot of haze. The sky wasn't quite as blue as you'd expect. It's because of some of that wildfire smoke. We also got that big fire in eastern North Carolina. Some of that smoke will be drifting north and northwest as we go into Monday. Severe weather risk has been all around us, but not over us. Kind of an odd setup here to see severe weather so deep in the south here in the summer, but that's going to be the case through the beginning of the week as that low pressure gets closer and closer. So tomorrow mostly sunny, but then notice on Monday moisture starts to move in, so we're going to see scattered showers. Not a washout, but certainly a scattered shower or thunderstorm. This low, it's going to linger over the southeast for most of next week, and that means little ripples of energy are going to bring waves of showers and storms. But tomorrow, I mean, a 10%, maybe a 20% chance late in the day for a pop-up shower, but most of the day is dry. There's our batch of rain on Monday. We could see several waves of this. Not a washout every day, but it'll come at us in waves throughout the week, and with the persistent clouds, temperatures will be cooler. Now, humidity, we've benefited from some gorgeous low dew points. That's going to change next week. Even though the temperatures will be cooler, we're going to see plenty of high dew point air, and that will lead to maybe some flash flooding. You can see the medium risk for flash flooding on Monday. Tuesday, the medium risk over us again. And as we go into Wednesday, that risk begins to shift to the south. But you get the idea. We're going to see the risk for flash flooding in the Carolinas because of the duration of the rain more so than the intensity, because it's going to be several days of it. Here it is. There's the low pressure system. Waves of moisture. It just lingers here. This is Wednesday into Thursday and Friday. It could take all the way until next weekend before it finally begins to slowly move out. That moisture will be pretty intense as well. In fact, look at the rainfall totals over the next 7 days. Some spots down here, 4 to 7 inches of rain in the next 7 days. Out in the tropics, we got a tropical wave just came off the coast of Africa. It's now up to an 80% chance of development in the next 7 days. Now, it's way out there, but conditions are favorable for this to develop in the next 5 to 7 days. Everything's kind of on the table. Could go west, could recurve, pretty widespread there. Again, that is about 8 to 10 days out there. So just something to monitor right now, nothing to worry about, but keep an eye on that, especially if you have plans on the coast in the coming 10 days. Tomorrow, beautiful day for Dad. Father's Day should be gorgeous, near 90 degrees, still relatively low humidity, but your Guy Roofing 7-day forecast shows the humidity creeping up next week, and that will lead to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Those are going to be around most of next week. Your 10-day forecast shows them eventually becoming more scattered by next weekend, but still in the forecast for the next 7 to 10 days.